everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then hello, I'm Maneet Talwar. I would be very happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So guys, from the title of this video, you must have get to know about that in this video I am going to try some of the viral hacks which got so much hyped in this year. I know I'm a bit late, but some of the hacks I'm going to try in this video. Okay, so I have picked up those trends according to the steps of the makeup. First one is the base hack, second is the eyeshadow one, third is the eyebrow, and the fourth is contour. So let's get started with this, and first of all I would start with the base. So let's get started. So she takes the red lipstick, blend that out, take the contour, concealer, and the last is the foundation, and she is shining. So first of all, don't use that liquid red lipstick क्योंकि उनको blend करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Go with your velvet ones. So I am taking this my red matte lipstick in the velvet texture. So let's just start. Now taking the concealer and applying it on my other eyes. And lastly, I'm taking the foundation. I really don't know क्या result आने वाला है. Let's just hope for the best. Actually the base is nice. अगर आपको of course इस सामने वीडियो में इतना अच्छे से नजर नहीं आ रहा होगा कि मेरा ये सारा एरिया अभी तक पिंक है. In mirror I can clearly see the redness cannot be covered properly. You have to take more and more foundation, so this is not something which I can go for. And कभी-कभी के लिए it's pretty good, but not for daily. I would say it is 6 out of 10. It's not that good. Okay, so next just move on to the second trend, which is of eyebrows. Let's just start. So in this trend she is making a normal Z on her eyebrows, then filling the end of the corner and brushing out with this spoolie, and here she goes. Okay, so for eyebrows I'm taking my eyebrow kit, which is like this. Okay, so I'm taking this darker color for my eyebrows. Okay, so from this trend, I would say this is something which is not for the people who have darker eyebrows. जिनकी बहुत light eyebrows है, this trend is going to do wonders for their eyebrows. But actually मेरी eyebrow पहले से ही heavy है, so I don't think इस trend से इतना कुछ पता चला मेरी eyebrow पे. It's just कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा मोटी हो गई है, and I'm not lying it, but we have to try this. And जिनकी eyebrows बहुत light हैं and they need to do something, उनके लिए it is good. It's good. So मैं अपनी eyebrows को ठीक करते हुए I'm using my concealer. Okay, so for me this trend was 7 out of 10, and just because it was not good for me. Okay, so let's just move towards the third hack, which is the eyeshadow one, and which is the fourth one. I am very excited for this because that is something which I haven't seen before, so that's why I'm very excited to do the fourth one. But let's start with the third first. So normally she is placing the colors on her eyelids and then taking a blending brush and blending all the color. In most of the videos I have seen कि लोग बहुत neutral colors use कर रहे हैं. They are not going for the bright colors or the mid-range colors. They are all going with the neutral ones. So I think this trend is going to be the best for neutral ones because I don't think so कि आप ब्राइट कलर्स को इतने इजीली ब्लेंड कर सकते हो because they need much more concentration for blending. And in my past I have always listened about that your blending game should be perfect while doing the eyeshadow, but I don't know कि ये कौन सा trend start हुआ है that you don't need to blend anything, you have to just put the colors and just you're done. So let's just see. Right now I'm using the neutral colors only. Okay, so these are all the colors which I had taken. Now I'll just take my blending brush, cleaning it up. So let's just move forward. Okay, so this is really good. This is really good. This is something like आप late हो रहे हो कहीं जाने के लिए, you are in rush and you are getting too late. You don't have any time to do such heavy makeups. So just put the lines of the makeup. So just put the lines of the eyeshadow and just blend it and you are done. You don't have to take different colors, blend it out, then take the next color, then blend it out. So it's very easy and very convenient. Like 10 on 10. But yeah, this is only for the neutral colors. This is not for the bright colors. This can only do with the brown family. This can only go with the mauve family, but not with the brown. But not with the bright one. So it's really good. It's really good. I like it. The last but not the least is the fourth one, which is like, so in this trend he is taking a bronzer and spraying a makeup fixer, completely dipping the bronzer into it and taking a brush and contouring. So for this I am taking this Sugar Cosmetics bronzer. Actually I'm very nervous for this because मुझे पता है इसके बाद मेरा bronzer पूरे अच्छे तरीके से खराब हो जाएगा. I can't use this bronzer again. It will become a contour. So I'm just nervous for this. I'm taking this makeup fixer which is from Forever 52. So I'm just spraying it. Okay, so I'm taking this brush, this contour brush, and no, I have to be very quick because it is क्योंकि ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा वो हो रहा है ड्राई. एकदम से लगाने के बाद इसका पैच बन रहा है. So I need to be very quick for this. Nice. So ये फिर से dry हो गया है. Now again. So yeah, can you see? Because bronzer का color आप सबको पता है, it is a very warm shade because it creates some warmness and builds your features out. So it needs to be warm color. But when I spray the makeup fixer on it, it is changing into an ashy brown color and becoming a contour instead of a bronzer. So you have to be very quick with this. अगर आपके पास contour नहीं है, then you are good. कि आपके पास bronzer है, you have to just spray the makeup fixer and you can use it as a contour. But वो उसके बाद contour ही बना रहेगा. It cannot become a bronzer. So this time I am little bit yes, this trend is really nice because you can see बहुत अच्छे से contour निकल के आया है. This was the last trend and I would rate it 8 out of 10 in all of the trends which I had tried right now. This was the best trend, I would say. After this, it is the eyeshadow one, then the eyebrow, and the last is, but I just don't like that the blusher base. I just don't like that much. But ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Gets to the end of the video. If you like this video and enjoyed trying these trends along with me, so hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. So till then, take care and bye bye.